Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today I'm making a millet recipe. It's been a while since I tried a millet recipe. So today we are making Ragi Bajra Dosa. This is an instant recipe, so very few ingredients and you can quickly make this out. So the ingredients list is given in the description box. Do check it out, and for more such millet videos, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's jump right in. So in a bowl I've taken equal quantity of ragi flour and bajra flour. I've just sifted it nicely and taken it into a bowl. Into this, we are going to be adding some curd. So I've taken about a cup of curd. Make sure it is at room temperature. Add the curd to the flour and then mix it nicely. You need to make sure there are no lumps in the batter. So mix it well with a whisk. Until the curd is absorbed by the flour. Now once that's done, we're going to add half cup of water. I'm using normal room temperature water here. You can add little by little and check if the consistency of the batter is like a dosa batter. So I'm just mixing everything together, making sure there are no lumps in the batter. So the batter is ready. Now we'll add in some crushed black pepper and salt to taste to this, as well as some cumin powder. Now we'll add some finely grated carrot, finely chopped onions and coriander leaves into this. You can also add ginger if you wish to. I'm going to mix everything into the batter nicely. Once everything's mixed well, we'll just let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before we start making the dosa. So in a dosa pan, which is on medium heat, I'm just going to pour a ladle of the batter and then spread it out. It'll be a little difficult to spread this out since we've added some onions and grated carrot into this. Grease it with some gingerly oil or any oil of your choice and let it cook from both sides, making sure you flip it once it's done from the top. So once it's done, I'm just going to flip this over. And cook it from the other side as well. And let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.